First of all, thank you for watching this video. Even if you registered the course or not yet, thank you. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm your Arabic teacher, and I've taught Arabic for 4 to 5 years in general, in different places around the world. And I originally come from Syria, and I speak MSA, which is the modern standard Arabic, and plus the Lebanese, the Syrian dialect, and I know some Egyptian as well. However, this course would be, as an introduction, this course would be the course of MSA only. This is only Fusha, and Fusha is the language that is used by all the Arab world or all the Arab countries. And you can find this in airport, menus of the restaurants, when you walk in the street, look at the signs everywhere. When you're driving a car, look at the car signs, and so on. So still we are using modern standard Arabic for this. However, we do speak dialect in each country. So in Syria, they speak a Syrian dialect. In Lebanon, they speak the Lebanese. In the Gulf, they have their own. So, but in general, we do understand, everybody who was born in Arab world understand the MSA. So basically, when you learn MSA, when you start speaking to any Arab person, he will understand you 100%. So everything is going fine. Plus, in order to learn Arabic, you must start with the MSA. And then if you want to move, then you can move to the dialect or the street language. But first of all, you must learn the MSA. However, so this course is teaching you the MSA starting from beginners, from nothing. If you have zero experience or zero knowledge in Arabic, then this course is for you. We're going to start from the beginning till we reach a really high level where you can speak, where you can interact, where you do understand people what they are talking about, when you focus on the grammar and listen, vocabulary, conversations, and so on. So if you are looking for Arabic course, this one is perfect for you. However, also before registering, if you haven't registered yet, you can check the free previous videos. There are some free preview videos, and there are the reviews from other students that also you can check. Thanks to everyone who reviewed the course. And also, I would like you, if you have any question in mind, even before registering, you can simply contact me via Udemy, send me a message, and you can ask me any question you want. I would love to answer as soon as possible. Yeah. So this is a very short, brief introduction about the course. However, we are not using only PowerPoint slides videos, but also we're using a camera, and the camera lessons are not really old. It's new version of the course. It's updated version. So we are using both PowerPoints so we're using both PowerPoint and live camera lessons, not live basically, but camera is like face-to-face lessons. And also, yeah, that's it. So I would like you to enjoy this course. And if you have, again, any question, please let me know. Welcome to the Arabic language course. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum. And I hope that you're going to enjoy. So we'll see you on the following videos. Bye-bye.